top grips. They're pretty good. Yeah. And I got Tektro brake lever, amber brake cable. Pretty nice. Then I got the Kenda front tire, dirt, 2.35. Amber rims. Pretty nice. Amber hub. Then I'm moving on to the stem. Got amber stem. Amber bars, 28 wide. 8.25 rise. Then we got the amber seat. The amber fathom frame. Pretty nice. Pretty light. I love it. Then we got the amber cranks, amber Odyssey twisted PC pedals, amber 25-2 sprocket, KMC chain, 9-tooth driver, Tektro U brake, amber seat, like I said. Then I got the Odyssey air rust tire, 2.35 in the back, amber rim, amber cassette hub. They're actually real good. So it's pretty much, I think I got everything. Oh yeah, the weight is like 26 pounds, and oh yeah, I got a Spanish bottom bracket, and I like it through my hub. My hubba.